Where do I find these investors? First of all, word of mouth, your internet leads. You've got to be able to tell your friends, your family, whoever your network of people is that you're around, let them know what you do. Even your neighbors, let them know, hey, I'm a real estate agent. Hey, have you guys ever thought about purchasing a property as a vacation home, renting it out? Hey, Mr. Investor, you're coming up on your retirement. What are your plans? What do you want to do? Your neighbor may actually inherit a property from one of their family members in a estate. They don't want it. Guess what? That's the perfect opportunity for you to jump in, list that property, and you're on your way to building your investor clientele. Also, the MLS. Wherever your local MLS is, you can actually go to the solds, and most of the time, these solds are going to be cash solds dealing with investment properties. So go back, do a little digging, do a little research, and you can find those cash buyers are typically associated with a company or with an LLC name. Google that company name, find out their address, find out their telephone number, and then do a cold call, right? We've all had to do them. I know they're not typically the best, but these are ways that you can find investors. Call them up, ask them, hey, do you guys have an interest in purchasing additional properties? I saw you bought 123 Main Street. Is there any assets that you're looking to sell? This is a way that you can grab an investor, because at the end of the day, these investors want to buy properties, right? So if you can become their agent, it's going to be a great relationship. And also networking. Like Matt said earlier this morning, go to those investor hangouts. I know it's not the greatest time right now, but once we're able to start up with all of the networking events, go to those, attend those realtor get-togethers, go to the title company parties. I've been to many parties that Jennifer has hosted, working, with her team many times. Go to those. There's investors everywhere. These are where you can find your resources, find connections, and be willing to step out and say, hey, I'm able to help you. I'm wanting to work with investors, or I'm actually able to work with investors. This is going to be the best way that you can find some investors.